The overall goal of this synthetic procedure is to provide a rational way to make multimetallic species with a predetermined sequence of metal centers.
This method can help answer key questions in an inorganic chemistry field, such as building a unique multinuclear heterometric complex against the issues of phase separation and multiple structured outcomes. The main advantage of this technique is its wide applicability for diverse chemical structures due to the simplicity of its principle. Demonstrating the procedure will be Purnandhu Bose, a postdoc from my laboratory.
To begin this procedure, add 135 milligrams of TG-Sieber resin and a stir bar to a 10 milliliter 2-neck flask bearing a drain at the bottom equipped with a glass filter and a 2-way stopcock. Connect a 3-way stopcock and a glass stopper to the joints of the flask. Exchange the internal atmosphere with nitrogen by using a vacuum line. Then, swell the resin with 1 milliliter of dichloromethane. Add 3 milliliters of dimethylformamide and 1 milliliter of piperidine to the resin. Then, stir the mixture for 2.5 hours at room temperature. Following this, remove the solution by filtration through the drain. Wash the resin 3 times with 3 milliliters each of methanol and dichloromethane. Then, wash the resin 4 times with 3 milliliters of dichloromethane. Combine all the solutions obtained in the previous